Prior to the pandemic, the Meghalaya Cricket Association cricket ground in Polo, Shillong has been put under the control of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, or the Bcci, which will continue for the entire domestic cricket season of 2022-2023. It may be mentioned that for over 2 years now, the Meghalaya Cricket Association, with the support from the Bcci, has been working extensively towards improvement of the said ground. On the 7th of November 2022, members of the MCA and Shillong Cricket Association SCA, that included MCA Vice President Reynald Kharkamni, Honorary Treasurer Dhrubjyoti Thakuria, MCA Chief Curator Peter German Lamare, and SCA President Peter MacDonald Kharsawian had felicitated Bcci Chief Curator Ashish Bhaumik, who is in Shillong to assess the ground. After the inspection, Bhaumik had lauded the efforts of the MCA by saying that the pitch of the cricket ground in Polo, Shillong is one of the best in the country.
Watching the ball bounce there, bounce and carry, really very good for practice. So this is the real condition where a player grows. So I am very happy to see things are in place gradually. And for the outfield, we already told it will take some time, maybe next year. So I hope they will bring up more venues in Meghalaya where the players can play and practice mainly. Now we are having 8-10 teams each state, so we require more places like this. So I hope they will try their best to develop more grounds. I am always there. I'll be coming whenever required. If I get some space for 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, whenever required by them, I'll come back for sure.
The president of the MCA, Naba Bhattacharjee, said that the association will endeavour to make certain improvements as far as maintenance of the ground is concerned, even though its regimentation is being provided by the Bcci.
There may be mistakes, there may be trial and error, but we should not give up. So that one day our dream is that we have this. Earlier also in 2014-15 we started that at least before the Indian team goes for overseas, particularly England and New Zealand, a conditioning camp for the Indian team can be made here. So all of us, to achieve this also, we need to work together. We will require the assistance of Mr. Ashish Bhaumik, because we are, as you also know, we are slowly shifting to more warmer areas. And like we have our Vice President, Mr. Reynald, who is also the President of VBOY, we are slowly shifting our playing activities to that district. Much warmer, more daylight hours. So that way even most of the activities, including indoor, is likely to go there.